And this is where the little ice cream shop used to be.
Okay.
So you walk on the bridge on that side. That's the check-in
Yeah.
I want to get out building. Please let me out.
Go into
building.
Mexico. Oh.
Need to go before we get through.
Today we're heading into Progresso, Mexico. Here we go.
You just take your dollar. But when you go out, I think it's only
It's like a quarter.
a quarter to get out. It's like,
Huh.
well, don't they just charge
That's what you gotta
$1?
walk. So they have to walk across this.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is the bridge that you walk across. Yeah.
But we're driving.
And that's the Rio Grande River down there. That's really, really low. It is like, I can't believe how much water there's not in there. And right here is the place everybody takes their picture because half of it, that's the line right there. United
Yeah.
States and Mexico. So who wants to be in Mexico for the picture? Oh, today we can go closer to that Arturo's and park in Arturo's right there instead of going down the block and then over.
Going to Moses's.
Isn't this interesting?
Closer.
What is that thing right there? Is that where they really check out a car or something?
Where?
Right here to the left.
Oh,
Looks like
oh.
a scale.
Oh.
That's where we.
I don't.
That's where we. You walk through there, here too, and oh my God! Sometimes it took 2 hours
Well, I
to get
imagine.
out of here.
Take
Huh?
a log highway check. It's similar.
Oh my goodness, here we are.
They don't want anybody to. You
Sneak
can't
through.
sneak in. That's for sure.
Pepsi truck. Kind of reminds me about the donuts.
Vamos a aventarnos esta rolita que dice
What? Do you care if you're on this? What is the name of this place?
Pancho's Bar. You can take a picture of the bar.
Oh, Pancho's Bar. All right, we're in here for lunch. Look at that. Enchiladas. Chimichanga. What did you get? Enchiladas?
I got the red.
Oh, that's the red sauce. That's like a nacho thing. They look delicious.
Whoa, wait a minute.
$21. Excellent. A Michelob was only $3.
Yeah.
Amazing. Check this store out. This vanilla, $1.75. White vanilla, guys. Coffee mate, $4.75. Huh. $0.45. Cool. All kinds of medicines. Purses. M&Ms. I don't know what those are. So you would go that way.
Oh, look, they got their angel stuff up. I
Yeah.
had that last year too with the holding up the tree in the middle.
Oh yeah. There's that.
It's really
You go
pretty.
across- What is this?
You know, I'm very sad. They had a beautiful gazebo right in the middle here.
Oh, did they?
And when we would meet our friends down at the bar down there, whatever, for lunch, and then we'd go, okay, meet you at the gazebo at 3 o'clock, you know? And it was just beautiful, and it could seat like...
Dennis all along here. There's a medical doctor. Anything you want. So we had a good time. Got to visit with some friends, had some good food, got to see Progresso Mexico. I think we'll go back again. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.